Alright, so here's what we're gonna try today. A 3000 GT. One more time. One more time. And then we're gonna get back to this. I got the alternator and that kind of peripherals to take off today because I need to start getting those pulleys off so I can get the new pulleys on and get the engine cleaned up. Oh, that looks good. Come on. Oh, look at that. That is corroded to hell and back. Okay, so the one thing I need to be concerned about with this is with all this buildup inside of here on the, God, I don't know what you call it, the thing on the distributor, the plug. It was all corroded and really, really bad here. I'm actually wondering if I was to follow this wire down to here on how the plugs look. But at the moment, I'm just gonna clean these up and we're gonna try to start it again. If it still is proving to be a pain in the butt, then we will move down to checking the plugs themselves. Also, not sure if that's where that back line goes, but that's where it's going today. Check this one. It's kind of like a sample here. Got that thing out. Similar result, tad bit of oil. However, I'm hoping it's going to be enough to at least get a start so I can move the car.
Nope.
we are. Alright, so the new tensioner is in place. I'm still waiting on new cam seals. That's all actually shipping. Should be here from D1 in like end of the week, maybe next week. And then we'll, you know, get to actually putting this girl back together. Get this as best as we can. Hope this goes well. Whew. Alright, so that is a wrap for this week. It's been a week. So yeah, I'm beat. Parts for the Z32 should be here end of the week, early next week, fingers crossed, and then we can get the engine put back together and get, you know, the Z back on the road. I still have wheels and tires I need to order for it. I need to order the wrapping material. Yeah, so it's still got a little bit to go, and a spoiler. I need to get a spoiler on there because they just look so much better. I don't know. I feel cars are like naked without spoilers. It's really weird to me. So they need spoilers. Yeah. So I think I inhaled a little too much paint fumes. I'm a little woo. But yeah. So there you have it. We got the rest of the engine cleaned up. I'm sure I'll do more cleaning on it, but for the most part right now, it's clean. The battery pan is sanded down, repainted, so that will, you know, keep a little bit of the rust at bay down there. It's not perfect, but, you know, one of these days I'm just gonna cut that thing out of there and put the battery in the trunk anyway, so it is what it is, you know, and then we can just shave that down and it'd be a lot cleaner under the engine bay. Did I mention the 3000 GT disappointed yet again? I think it's safe to say she is not gonna start until I get that engine rebuilt. So yeah, that's really it.